guys, welcome to this week's video. I am pushing the reset button, giving myself a fresh start. I've already stripped the bedding, started a load of laundry, and I'm about to head to the store. Before I continue though, I want to take a minute to thank the sponsor of today's video, Factor. I've worked with Factor before and every meal I've ever tried has been chef's kiss amazing. Factor is actually owned by HelloFresh, and depending on my mood, I like to switch between the two. This last week has been crazy busy with work, and I've honestly just been dealing with some overwhelm. So it has been a complete lifesaver to have my fridge stocked with Factor meals. I can reach in the fridge anytime, pull something out, pop it in the microwave for 2 minutes, and I've got lunch on the go. If you've been following my health journey, you know I've lost close to 50 pounds, and I did that by really being conscious of my portion sizes and by not eating sugar and flour. And so with Factor, I use their keto meal plan, but they do have other options. They have veggie, they have a vegan menu, they have calorie smart. So there's definitely something for everyone. If you're trying to get into a healthier place with your food and your diet, then Factor makes it easy and automatic. I think changing the way you eat is one of the hardest things to do. But having something like Factor just takes all the guesswork out of it. There's no food prep, there's no grocery shopping, there's no cooking. Everything is chef prepared, delivered straight to your door, and you will not feel like you're eating some like bland cardboard kind of food. So they have a special offer for you guys today. Head to go.factor75.com/thecarlaproject120 and use code thecarlaproject120 to get $120 off. Again, head to go.factor75.com/thecarlaproject120 and use code thecarlaproject120 to get $120 off. Thank you, Factor, for sponsoring today's video and for all of the delicious meals I've had this week. I'm heading to my local Trader Joe's. So what I do on a reset day, or I also call it like an admin day, is I make a to-do list, and I have a running master to-do list that has all of the life tasks that happen on at least a monthly basis. And so I'll just pull a few things, and depending on what my energy level is that day, that's what gets done. And if it's a weekend, I try not to go to the grocery store on the weekend because it gets too crowded. If it's a weekday, then that's when I kind of get out into these streets and run more of those kinds of errands. So this is actually a Monday, so I'm at my Trader Joe's picking up treats for Samson, picking up his vitamins, getting toilet paper, all of those kind of essentials.
This closet still looks really good, super functional, and great storage all the way up there. I have the washer out right now, but that's where it goes. I'm gonna do a yard sale next month and also start posting some things online like these instruments. But overall, pretty good.
Some YouTube video that I was watching this week was talking about the 40-hour work week and how that was originally thought of for two-person households. So there was the breadwinner who left home every day and went off to work for 8 hours a day. And then there was the person who was at home, either with the kids or maybe, being a housewife, taking care of all of the things it takes to run a home. And it just made me feel so much better. It's like, okay, no wonder I can't get everything done. I'm working on simplifying my life, and I think decluttering was the first step, and it solved a specific problem. And then finding a home for everything, which for me, that's organization, that solved another problem. Now I still have a few bad habits and a few other things that I need to do to simplify things even further. My biggest bad habit is that I don't put things back after I use them.
One thing I learned is that the front burners are for cooking and these back burners are for warming, and you can put food directly on that, like a tortilla.
don't know how to fold a fitted sheet. Ugh. No matter how hard I try. don't even think I'm done decluttering. I think there's still more that I want to let go of. I want to have a yard sale. I want to sell some things online. There are these last few things that are valuables to me that I want to get money for. I don't want to just give them away. So I think once I get those things out of my space, and once I finalize the part of finding a home for everything, which I haven't done all of my organizing yet. Oh, and the other thing I realized is that when I buy something new, I have to immediately find a home for it. Like this last week, I bought 2 lotions for migraines because I was having neck pain. And so I bought 2 different like ointments that you can put on your neck. And they were just hanging out on the coffee table. That's what I put away at the beginning of the video. And when I buy something new, I really have to find a home so that those things go and live in their home. Otherwise, I just bring things into the house and they just end up on the coffee table or on some surface. So little changes. These are the things that I'm thinking about. These are the things that I'm realizing. A lot of you have asked in the comments, how is it now that I've decluttered so much? I think I've decluttered like 70% of the stuff in my life. And it is a million times easier. And there are still other problems that need to be solved. I'm really happy with the progress, and I'll take it any day over having an apartment filled with things that I don't use or love or need or want. So heading in the right direction. It feels fantastic to have clean bedding on, and I have about 4 sets of sheets that I just rotate, and then I do laundry now. I'm doing laundry about twice a month, so every other week. And that's because I use a portable washer and dryer, and it's a whole to-do to take those out to operate. I bought this unscented wrinkle release last year, and I use it for my clothes, but I wanted to try it on the quilt because I think because of the dryer being so small, it really wrinkles up larger items like this quilt. And I think the wrinkle release did a pretty good job. Okay, we're on to the last stop, taking this little doggy to the groomer. I do a self-wash there. He's part husky. He sheds so much. Here's what I was able to get done on my reset day. Took this little doggy to the groomers, went to Trader Joe's, bought necessities, got 4 loads of laundry done, did my tidy routine for the week, and did some recipe planning, but I'm not really gonna have to do much cooking this week. So I feel pretty good about what I was able to get done, and that's it. Thanks for watching this week's video, and I'll see you next week. Bye.